भीमराया माझा भीमराया.
नींद अपनी खोकर जगाया हमको, आंसू अपने गिराकर हंसाया हमको. हम कभी नहीं भूलेंगे उस महान इंसान को. जमाना कहता है बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर उनको. A warm welcome to one and all gathered here. Today we are here to celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti, commemorating his 134th birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar and his service to the nation.
Hello everyone! Did you recognize me? Yes, I am Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. My full name is Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. I am also known as Baba Sahib. I was born on 14th April 1891 in Mhow, Madhya Pradesh. I was entitled as the father of Indian Constitution. I am also the first Law Minister of independent India. My vision is to create Indian society free from caste and gender discrimination. We must always remember, be educated, be organized and be agitated.
Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar was a prominent social reformer, jurist, philosopher and a remarkable scholar. He was poor and belonged to the Mahar community. They were known as Dalits, who were treated as untouchables. He experienced caste discrimination right from his childhood and emerged as a prolific student.
Though he was discriminated during his school, yet he was not discouraged and strongly believed that education should be provided in all sections of the society.
He completed his higher studies from Bombay University, Columbia University and London School of Economics respectively. Throughout his life, he fought against injustice, inequality and elimination of caste discrimination and for the rights of the oppressed in the Indian society.
In 1990, Baba Sahib was honored with the most prestigious award, the Bharat Ratna in India.
He played a significant role in India's struggle for independence and played a key role in drafting the Indian Constitution.
Freedom of man is the real freedom. A person whose mind is not free, though he may be not in chains, is a slave, not a free man.
सर्वात आधी आणि सर्वात शेवटी आपण एक भारतीय आहोत.
सलाम या महामानवाला, शून्यातून केली सुरुवात, अमर झाले इतिहासात. आंबेडकर असे त्यांचे नाव, आपल्या सर्वांचे असे भीमराव, आपल्या सर्वांचे असे भीमराव. शूद्रापोटी जन्म घेतला, प्रत्येक वर्णाचा विकास करिवला आणि बघता बघता या मानवाचा महामानव झाला. आणि बघता बघता या मानवाचा महामानव झाला. आयुष्य गेले लढण्यात, प्रत्येकाचा विचार करण्यात, या देशाला समतेकडे नेण्यात, प्रत्येकाला भारतीय म्हणून घडवण्यात, प्रत्येकाला भारतीय म्हणून घडवण्यात. बालपण जोडिले पुस्तकांना, तोडिले अनेक बंधनांना, न्याय मिळवून दिला बहुजनांना. निर्माण केलेले संविधान घडले कारण लोकशाहीला. निर्माण केले संविधान घडले कारण लोकशाहीला. सलाम माझ्या या महामानवाला, सलाम माझ्या या महामानवाला, सलाम माझ्या या महामानवाला. थँक्यू.
dedicated to the father of Indian Constitution. It is a day of celebrations to value a great person who fought for the right. Warm wishes on Dr. Ambedkar Jayanti.
Ambedkar Jayanti is a special day where we celebrate Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's birthday. He was a very important person who wanted everyone to be treated fairly and kindly. We remember him because he taught us to be nice to everyone, no matter who they were. So on this day, let's think about him, how we can be good to everyone and make sure everyone feels happy and included. Happy Ambedkar Jayanti to all of you.
Good morning, dear students and teachers. Today, with great pride and joy, we celebrate the birthday of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Birthday of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar is also celebrated as Equality Day. Do you know the reasons? It's because his works have brought equality in the Indian society and among the Indian citizens. Changing Life Part 1 is one of the chapters in the history textbook of Standard 9. In this chapter, what is highlighted is the work of the Constitution that has brought about the equality. His contribution related to the equal rights have empowered the Indian citizens, have helped to end many of the evil practices of division and discrimination. It has also facilitated to bring about change in the mindset of the people, thereby leading society towards development and progress. Great man of such caliber deserves honor and respect. Today, we have this day where we can show our utmost respect to him. At the same time, let's take a pledge to follow his footsteps and fulfill his dreams and visions.